Our homeowners just bought this house right here in the heart of Kinsale, and this cottage is full of charm. For this home to really be somewhere you can come 12 months of the year and it be warm and cozy at the drop of the hat, that's where Sigma Homes comes in. Right here in this location, that's where the original kitchen once was. We've now relocated the staircase and we've made this area the main bathroom. This room has really come alive. The original staircase has now been removed and it's freed up all this space. Now this room has got its true potential, a movie room or even an additional bedroom. With this room now squared off, it gives us the perfect opportunity to come up with a really nice kitchen and living. Once you come through that glazed door, the first thing you get to meet is this beautiful island. To my right, we've got our fridge and our units. To our left, the kitchen continues and makes its way right here to the sink. But what I really love is how the kitchen is designed and it continued right to the end of the wall. And this makes the perfect TV area. At the top of the stairs, we've designed this open plan study. This really sets the theme for upstairs. And in addition to this, both bedrooms have en-suites. This cottage is so inviting with its charm. But come the 10th of May, once you open that front door, your happiness is about to go to a new level.